Good morning. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. It's pretty early, so I haven't even had my coffee yet. I want to get this video out and then have coffee. So it's me. All right. So this is all about Crafter's Companion, my monthly box. This is box number 10, and it has over 125 elements. It's from HSN. It's a yearly subscription. It costs $24.95 plus $5 shipping and handling. My biggest worry is in 2 months when they do it for next year, I won't be there to buy it because this is the best box. Okay, this is from Crafter's Companion. I think I said that. It's Build a Scene. So we're gonna get makes minimum of 19 cards, and I haven't looked in it yet. I just took the tape off, but I haven't looked in it. It's all nice and fresh. So let's look in. So we have beautiful ribbon, beige, blue, and pink, baby blue, and it's 2 different sizes. So that's really pretty. Whoa, look at all these stamps. I don't know if you can see them. I'm going to put this is the box, a secondary box that comes in. Let's see if that helps to show all the stamps. There's my light. Let me see if that'll help if I put it. There's always going to be a glare with that light. I don't know. Anyway, there's the stamps. That's really nice. There's quite a few of them. With love. Have a magical birthday. That's nice. And here's card blanks. Look at all the different size cards. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 different sizes. And I think they're already, yeah, they've already pre-folded. And Sarah even says in her videos, keep one for a template. So look at this. It's got folds. So I'm not sure. This one's got folds. This one's got, so it's a scene. I see. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. Let's see, what's this one? Oh, this has got stoppers, so this must be easel. And here's the envelopes to go with it. So that's nice. Black and white cards. Wow. Look at all the dies that come with it to make a scene. Wow, that's really, really sweet. And then we have all the colored paper. There's blues, there's green. It's like a brownish gray, different dark blue sky. Okay. There is printed paper. Whoa, that's pretty. I have to remember it looks like there's only one of each color though. So you have to make sure you remember that. It's very pretty though. There's a lot in this. Very nice. Very nice. And all the cardstock and envelope and the stamps. And oh, this is a new thing. It literally gives you instructions how to do everything. See how to layer the people to make pop-up cards and 3-dimensional scenes, and it's build a scene and you layer it. So this is going to be fun. I really like it a lot. So guys, I hope that you can go to HSN and find yours. Sometimes they have an extra box because people don't buy every month. I'm sure this month really got taken up. But in 2 months, they should be doing it again. I will, in my Glue Gun Chronicles group, I will put a shout out to anyone that is interested when it comes up for sale. If I see it, or if anyone sees it, please let me know, um, so that y'all can buy it. It does sell out in the same day it goes on sale. So this is Build a Scene Crafter's Companion number box 10. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a blessed day.